Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are at the Premier Inn at Gatwick Airport North Terminal, and this is the one situated right opposite the terminal itself, next to the Sofitel Hotel. So quick room review, let's have a look around. We have a double bed, it hasn't been used, just a little bit crinkled. I've already done the checks, poured the sheets back, all looks absolutely fine. We've got a seat in the corner there. A single window, which I'll show you the view later. I'll also show you from the outside, and a small desk area where you can work or eat from. It's worth noting there's no on-site parking at the hotel. You do need to use, if you're parking, you use the short stay car park opposite, which actually brings me around to the view because it is right there. And to give you an idea, the building just to the left there is the actual North Terminal, and the station there as well that shuttles you between North and South Terminal. So you are very close to the terminal, completely walkable. Traffic lights just down to the left there to get you across. Pricing for the parking, I believe if you are just dropping off, Gatwick has a £5 charge, but if you register you're just dropping someone off, if you register your number plate with the reception here when you check in, I believe they can refund you the £5. I'm not sure how, so just speak to them to get that sorted. And if you need to park overnight, they have a rate £25 for 24 hours, but you do need to validate your ticket again here with reception. Otherwise, I've just parked in the short stay just to drop off the person staying here. Again, the car park cost for that is £5 for 30 minutes, £8 for an hour, 13 for 2. If you look on the Gatwick website, it's got the prices listed on there. Price of the room I'll put at the end as well. This is a, what are we on? It's a Monday. It is quite busy around here. So bed, again, there it is. You've got table either side. Cleanliness seems absolutely fine. There's a few marks here and there where they could have perhaps wiped it a little better, but otherwise, you know, no complaints. It's not dusty. It seems like quite a well looked after room, some artwork there. And then coming round, there's a vanity mirror with built-in light, a hairdryer, some extra pillow blankets up top, and your small kind of open wardrobe, which also has a full-length mirror on the other side. And there's your hangers in there, they do come included. It doesn't open up, so you just need to reach in to grab. And then there are some additional hooks here. And swinging around into the bathroom on the left, just open that door there we go. And so you've got toilet, large mirror, single vanity, and a really good sized shower. I mean, it's the entire length of the bathroom. I'm assuming they're all the same. There we go. And products included are Bayliss and Harding. You can see it's super clean, super shiny, exactly what you want for a quick one-night stop. On the website, when you're parking for short stay, it gives a postcode. Don't use that, it takes you into the middle of nowhere in the airport. Just follow the signs for short stay parking. That's the review of the hotel and this room. There's loads in this hotel. There's a restaurant for breakfast, dinner. There's a bar, coffee shop. There's a Sofitel next door you can walk over, perhaps have a drink at their bar. You've got North Terminal opposite, you can go over there if you're just looking for things to do, get yourself used to the route. Otherwise, there we go. Cost of the room displayed below, and then we also added on breakfast. Check-in process, super simple, self-check-in kiosks. We had an issue checking in. I think we were 1 minute to 3, check-in is at 3. So we just had to get someone over to push our reservation through. Check-in 3, check-out 12, really good times. And as I said, great place to come to before you need to head off from Gatwick North Terminal. I also meant to say the aircon unit is there and the fan up top. It was stuffy when we got here, but 2 minutes and the room is very nice and cool now. So it does work well. Any questions, please leave below. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.